Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm Julia, and this is John, and we work for Local for You Marketing. A lot of people have had questions on our marketing packs, and Local for You is an online ordering and marketing system. So I thought today, John, we could answer some of those questions. Whether you're a restaurant partner with us now on a Pro Pack or looking to join us, hopefully this can get some of your questions answered. So if you're ready, John, we'll just get right into it.
Yeah.
The marketing packs we offer are silver and gold. And today we're just going to look over what each pack offers and who it targets and some of the results we have with some of the restaurant partners now. So John's going to talk us through the silver bundle. And John, can you just tell us a little bit about the silver bundle and just show us what we do for our clients?
Yeah, sure. So the silver bundle is great for restaurants that are looking to build up their customer base, and especially on the online ordering platform, the Local for You online ordering platform. So you want to get more new customers, and you want to also build your Google presence. So you want to dominate Google more in the searches. You want to get more Google reviews. So, and the way we do that is there's a few ways. So one way we help is by creating a Facebook ad campaign to help you get more new customers. And so we're going to look together at one of the restaurants we help, which is Koon Thai Ararat. And if this is a Facebook ad campaign that we're running for them, you can see by the results here over the past about 3 months, we've generated 72 new customers, brand new customers, just from this Facebook ad campaign. And by the way, that's on top of the fact that having this ad out there on Facebook not only helps generate more new customers, but the existing customers get reminded about the restaurant by seeing the ads out there on Facebook as well.
Amazing.
Amazing. And so let's have a look at one of the ads here, just so you get a bit of an idea. And we do this, by the way, in the very close radius around the restaurant. So we're making sure that we're targeting those that are very likely to want to come and order and or pick up order online or come and pick up. So you can see here example of some of the ads that we do, and you can see here down the bottom right people responding well to the ads as well. So the longer they stay out there and the more response you get to that works really well for your restaurant as well. And so besides doing the Facebook ad campaign, we also invite your customers, whether they're existing customers, new customers, to leave a Google review for you. And so for Koon Thai Ararat, you can see they have 60 Google reviews, and they've got an excellent rating here of 4.9 stars. And so what we've helped this restaurant to do over the past 3 months, we've generated more than half of those reviews. So 31 of those Google reviews has come because of Local for You. And we do it in such a way, what we do is we basically send out an email to anyone that's ordering through the platform, and we're saying, hey, what did you think of your experience with our restaurant? Now, if the customer says would rate you 4 or 5 stars, we then redirect them to Google to leave a review. But if they rate you 3 or less, we redirect them to your contact us page on your website. So hopefully they will give you that feedback, which is really valuable for you to help you improve your restaurant. And so this is why we're able to get excellent ratings for our restaurant partners. And so that's some of the great things we do for the Silver Marketing Pack clients.
Thank you, John. That is so exciting. So just so I can summarize this and answer any questions that I may have forgotten to add in, restaurant partners sign up with us and we give them an online ordering system to start. They're getting orders, local loyal customers come in, but they're looking to maybe grow their audience, increase their orders, that's somebody that looks into the silver pack.
Yeah, definitely. And another thing too, I think, which goes without saying, that one of the great things about the marketing that we do in the Local For You ordering system is all the customers that come into the system, they're in your database, so you have full control over your customer database.
Perfect. So when they sign up for the silver, we take over their Facebook ad campaigns, and just like the Kuntai, it's about a 10% off your first order. And then can you tell me some of the other special offers that we like to give our restaurants for their customers?
Yeah, typically the offer that we usually run to get people excited about trying out your restaurant, especially new people, is usually an offer like 10% off your first order. It could be 15% off, 20% off your first order. It really is up to the restaurant. That is usually the special offer that we run. But one thing or two, and before I forget, I wanted to show the results for Kuntai Ararat. So they started the marketing around the 20th of May, which is around this point here, just after these blue dotted lines. And you can see the excellent, this is the sales, by the way. So what we're looking at here is the overall sales through the online ordering system. And you can see a steady increase since then. So it's working really well.
And that's all income with no commissions.
Yep. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. So that pretty much sums up the silver pack, Facebook ads, and as John explained, the Google reviews that we only let 4 or 5 stars.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so, and when you look at, for example, Kuntai Ararat, most of those reviews were 5-star reviews.
Yep, so that keeps them on top of Google searches.
Yeah, exactly. So the more Google reviews that you have, the more Google will promote your restaurant, but also those that are looking to try a new restaurant, when they see that you have lots of reviews and you've got a really high average rating, they're more likely to order from your restaurant.
Sounds great. Okay, should we go on to our next pack?
Yeah.
Which is the gold pack, or the gold bundle. John, tell us a little bit about, in addition to what we offer with the silver, what you get with our gold bundle.
Yeah, definitely. So with the gold bundle, what the gold bundle really is geared towards is restaurants that have a customer base on through the online ordering system of around 600 or more customers. And what we do through the gold marketing pack is we run promotions each week, special offers that we promote on the Facebook page of a restaurant. On your Facebook page, we promote the weekly special through email, so an email broadcast to all your customers, and also an SMS broadcast to your customers. And what this does is it puts you more in front of your existing customers, so they remember you more. But also with the weekly special offer, they're more likely also to order from you. So what we see through these weekly promotions is that your existing customer base is going to be ordering more from you.
Sounds good. Do you mind just showing us an example of a gold pack client of ours, and just a little bit of proof that
Yeah, sure.
what we do works?
Yeah, definitely. This is an example of what you're looking at here is the weekly emails that we send out. So we have different special offers that we'll run each week for the existing customers. So you can see some of them here, like this one here, 50% off the fried rice. It will be something like if the customers order any 2 mains, they will get then 50% off the fried rice. Similar to this one here, 50% off Penang curry, or the free steamed rice might be if they order $30 or more, they'll get a free small steamed rice. So again, these are the kind of special offers that we'll run, and you can see here that you can see here the recipients, or basically the customer database. It's growing each week because we're adding any new customers you get as you build your customer database. They're getting added to this email list. And you can see also here lots of opens of these emails. So people are seeing these emails and they're reading these emails, which is why we get more orders for you. And these same promotions are being broadcast via SMS, which is very powerful. Everyone reads their SMS messages, so that works extremely well. And also, we're posting these special offers on your Facebook page.
Yep, great. So this is an example of the Gold Bundle, a client, their Facebook page. So we advertise on their Facebook page, through an email, and through an SMS, which is a text message on your customers' phones.
Yeah, exactly. And so again, we do that each week, and you can see lots of people here seeing and responding to that. And let's look at the results. All right, so here's where we can see the results for this restaurant. And so they started the 4th of June. They started the Gold Marketing Pack, which is exactly April, May, June. So they started this month here, and you can see the increase each month as because of the Gold Marketing Pack. So it works extremely well.
Yep, looks like their sales have more than doubled. That's great. Perfect, John. And then can you explain the requirements for the Gold Bundle for our restaurant partners and why it's important for us to make these minimum standards?
Yeah, it is really important that for those that want to go on the Gold Marketing Pack, that you have at least 600 customers in your database. And the reason for that is because we want to make sure that you get the best return on your investment. If you have less than 600 customers on your database, it's going to be hard with the promotions that we're doing. Yes, you will see an increase in sales, but it might not be enough to justify the marketing spend. So that's why we limit the Gold Marketing Pack only those restaurants that have 600 or more customers in their database.
And one last thing about the marketing pack, John, with our loyalty programs for an email, can you give an example of how that helps restaurants generate more income?
Yeah, the loyalty program is really powerful. It's something that's built into your ordering system, and it runs in the background all the time. So some of you might have tried a loyalty program in the past where you've had maybe a card, like a little card that you give to your customers, and each time they come and order, you'll stamp it or punch a hole in it. But so we have something similar in the online ordering system, but it's all because it's all electronic. It's all, again, you don't have to maintain it. It's running there in the background. And what it does is, it's a typical example of a loyalty program is that a customer will receive a free dish like a pad thai every time they spend $200 with your restaurant. And so again, you don't have to maintain or monitor that. It just runs in the background. Your customers, because they're being rewarded for their loyalty, they're going to continue to order more from you, and it really builds the goodwill between you and your customers.
If this is correct, John, I'll just go review it again. Remind me if I missed anything. It gives us everything that the Silver Bundle gives us, which is our Facebook advertising and our Google reviews of 4 or 5 stars only. In addition to that, gives us our SMS and email marketing campaigns, and that shares with the customers with your data, which is you keep your data, and we send emails and SMSs to promote the delicious specials.
Yep, exactly.
And John, can we pull up the Facebook ads and show how some of our clients are gaining more customers through the Facebook Ads Manager?
Yeah, so here's our Gold Marketing Pack client, and you can see the again. So they're getting massive reach and this is only in their local area. So it's a small radius around the restaurant, usually 2 or 3 kilometers around your restaurant. So they're getting massive exposure, and we're generating lots of orders, and these are new customers that are coming into the restaurant.
So, John, say we own a Thai restaurant in Brisbane, where the Local For You office is located in Brisbane, Australia. We would sign up for the Gold Bundle after our 600 clients. We would do Facebook marketing campaigns, and it would go to a 2 to 3 mile radius outside of the Brisbane CBD, and it would generate up to close to 100 new customers, hopefully.
Yeah, we're seeing great results, and what we make sure that we do for your marketing is that we track the results. So we don't just push promotions out there and hope that they work. These are promotions that we've been running now for about 2 years, so we know that they work. We track the results to make sure that they're working for your restaurant, for your location, and so if we need to, we modify what we do to make sure that you're getting the best return on investment.
Well, that sounds great. Thank you so much, Sean, for sitting with us today to go over the gold and silver bundles. Now, if you guys out there that own restaurants have any other questions, feel free to leave them in comments or reach out to our support team, which can be found on our website. And if you guys have any other questions, we're here. We want to answer them. And again, Local For You is all about helping your business grow. So thank you, John.
Yep.
Thank you, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.